Qualcomm are satisfied by numbers, but there is further divisions like Plus and more recent S. The company unveiled a Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, a chipset that offers a selection of the premium Snapdragon features without costing it as much as the premium 8 Gen 2 or the 8 Gen 3. The 8S Gen 3 is a 4nm chipset with a Cortex-X4 Prime clocked at 3.0 GHz, 4 performance cores clocked at 2.8 GHz and 3 efficiency cores clocked at 2.0 GHz. It supports up to 24 GB of LPDDR5x RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. For connectivity, it does USB 3.1 Gen 2 over USB-C. This is not a bin-down version of the 8 Gen 3. It has a Cortex-X4 core but at the lower clock speed, and also 4 big cores and 3 small cores with a configuration of 1 plus 4 plus 3. The original 8 Gen 3 is a 1 plus 5 plus 2 configuration. RAM support is closer to 8 Gen 2, and you can see the older Snapdragon X70 5G modem used instead of the newer X75. Qualcomm says 8S Gen 3 implement 3 GPP release and has 5G power saving option that 8 Gen 2 doesn't have. Either way, the chip is ready for new Wi-Fi 7 standards, so phones will be able to enjoy more bandwidth with lower latency. For audio, you get 15-bit 44.1 kHz lossless wireless streaming. Generative AI is the forefront as new applications have gained a lot of popularity. The 8S chip can run popular models like Llama 2 and Gemini Nano, and models with up to 10 billion parameters are supported. The 8S model is not as fast as 8 Gen 3 task, but is standout from the older 8 Gen 2 with on-device AI support. AI aside, the new chip is aimed at delivering flagship camera experience. You get a triple 18-bit ISP that works hand-in-hand with the Hexagon NPU for image processing. It enables an always sensing camera feature that speeds up face unlock and QR code scanning. You can run 3 36 megapixel cameras at 30 frames per second with zero shutter lag, or one single 108 megapixel camera at 30 frames per second without any shutter lag. The maximum image capture resolution is 200 megapixels. 10-bit HEIC and HEVC images and videos are supported with 4K HDR video going up to 60 frames per second. There is no 8K video mode, 4K at 120 video modes as well. The Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 is equipped with a beefy Adreno GPU. It supports hardware accelerator ray tracing. The Adreno framework Motion Engine 2.0 can double the frame rate without extra power consumption. The chip can drive a QHD plus display at 144 Hz or 4K display at 60 Hz. Variable refresh rate is supported from 1 to 240 Hz. The chip supports H.265 and AV1 video decoding. Some major phones have already picked up this chipset, and Honor, iQOO, Realme and Xiaomi all are going to launch this chipset, with the first one set to be either a Oppo phone or a Realme phone.